So, yeah, today I'm going to tell you everything I learned. Well, that wouldn't take long, would it? What worked, what didn't, what it costs, and most importantly, what are your real chances of making money on this platform, because, you know, you've done a bit of research and the numbers don't look good, to be honest. Just stick around and I'll tell you how we've done and actually what it's cost me as well, because I've spent a bit of money to get where I am. Because, I've always had this idea, right, that, time is precious, okay? So if you've got a bit of money and, sensible with it and all of that, you can trade money for time for money, all this kind of thing. It's like it makes sense. So a couple of months ago, I've been telling people to do YouTube and give it a go and this, that, whatever else. People have stuck with some ideas as to what they wanted to be doing with their lives. And I thought, well, before I tell other people what to do, I should do it myself, right? So I decided to take it seriously for a bit, and I'm kind of that way inclined. I can't do things in small things. I've either got to do something or not do it. So I came at the way that I came at the YouTube thing the way that I would normally go at something as a business, if you like. So with strategy, some investment, and I'm a bit determined, I'm a bit stubborn, I'm a bit stupid, I suppose, but I'm kind of directional. I kind of go in a single way. So we started, and this is what we found. I posted a lot of shorts. I found this bit of software that costs $49 or something that produces shorts for you. So I bunged quite a few shorts out, done I don't know 30 odd 40 long form videos, and then because I was doing some stuff around my face and whatever else, I thought I'll do a separate channel for that, because that needs to kind of stand alone. And I did that, and within a week I got like 1,800 subscribers on that. So I was feeling pretty good about myself, I suppose, one way or another. And then you kind of look at the revenue side of things if you were doing this as a business, and well, I'll come back to that, right? So here's what 200 videos, 1 million views, 7,000 subscribers, 8,000 watch hours looks like in practice. Some days you post something you're generally proud of and it gets 11 views. 11. My neighbour's cat gets more views than that an hour, I think. Look, the algorithm is not your friend. It's also not something that you can manipulate. It's probably not something that you can learn. It's something that is there designed to do a job. And, it's a bit like a mysterious landlord, it moves in mysterious ways. And nobody has been able to really suss out how to game it, how to work it, or so on. Or if they have, they sure as hell ain't going to be telling other people. It's something that you've almost got to forget about, because it's not going to be your friend, and you're not going to learn how to manipulate it.